Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Soine here. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how to get your first 100 subscribers fast here on YouTube. So if you just started out your YouTube channel or you're still struggling with your YouTube growth, here are a few tips to help you get your first 100 subscribers. Or if you're more than 100, this can also help you get more subscribers. The first tip is by asking your family and friends to subscribe to your channel. Charity begins at home. You don't expect some random stranger who you've never met and who has never met you to subscribe to your channel. You don't expect people who don't know you to subscribe to your channel if they don't see the value. So the easiest people to subscribe to your YouTube channel are your family members and your friends. So trying to hide the fact that you have a YouTube channel from the people around you is doing more harm than good to you, because they are the first few people that are going to subscribe to your channel. They are the first few people who are going to believe in your channel, and it will help you boost your morale a lot to make more videos for others to get to know you. So you need to ask your family and friends to subscribe to your channel. Try to show them that it's very important to you. That way they get to subscribe, because some people will tell you yes, they will subscribe and they end up not subscribing because I don't know. So you should tell them you have a YouTube channel, share your links, try to help them maybe use their phone or their devices to subscribe to your channel. That is a very easy way to get subscribers if you're still starting out here on YouTube. The next step to get your subscribers fast is by asking your family and friends to promote your YouTube channel on their different social media platforms. So you can send them the links to your YouTube channel. Let them share it in their Instagram, Facebook, their WhatsApp. That way their friends can subscribe to your YouTube channel. That way you can leverage on their friendships outside of the ones you know to subscribe to your YouTube channel. That's a very easy way to get subscribers. The next way to get subscribers fast is by jumping on YouTube trends. So you know the kind of videos you make on your channel, you know the kind of videos you want to be making on your channel. There are trends related to different niche on YouTube, so you need to find out what's trending on your niche and make videos about them. That way you get more visibility on your channel, and if people like what they see, they'll subscribe to your channel. So that's a very easy way, is by jumping on trends. Your video might even go viral. For example, a lot of people are doing back to school haul. If you're into vlogs, then back to school haul is definitely a good idea for you to make videos on, because a lot of people are watching that kind of content and YouTube algorithm is pushing out more content on that. So you should definitely leverage on trends which are related to the kind of videos you make on your channel. That way you get a lot of visibility and you get subscribers from there too. Another way to get your subscribers fast is by promoting yourself on your different social media platforms. By promoting, I don't mean posting maybe once in a month telling people that you have a YouTube channel. It's not going to work that way. For example, if you're promoting yourself on Instagram, you need to study the Instagram algorithm. You need to know that you need to create content concerning your YouTube videos. You can even make short clips from your YouTube videos and post them. That way you get to promote yourself on different platforms, whether it's to your Facebook, your WhatsApp, even on TikTok. TikTok is a very efficient network to promote yourself. So you need to promote yourself. You need to always put yourself in the face of people. That way a lot of people get to know that you have a YouTube channel and they'll be willing to subscribe if you create content that interests them. Is to make sure you always promote yourself. Always remind people that you have a YouTube channel and you make videos about this and this, and they should subscribe to your channel. Make sure you always promote yourself. The next tip which I'm going to share is by creating YouTube shorts. If you want to go viral, YouTube shorts is a very efficient way to go viral. So you need to learn how to make YouTube shorts. You need to learn how to revamp your YouTube videos, make them into shorts and upload on your YouTube channel. That way YouTube will help you promote your channel through YouTube shorts. So YouTube Shorts is a very good way to get subscribers. Although the watch time from YouTube Shorts doesn't count towards monetization, but it's a good way to get exposure for a channel, because when you get subscribers, then they can watch other videos which you made on your channel, and that way you're growing. So make sure you try making YouTube Shorts for your YouTube channel. It's going to go a long way to help you. And before you go through all these processes I just mentioned, there's no way you know hit your 100 subscribers mark here on YouTube. Just make sure you are consistent, and make sure you always create content that you self as a human being will want to watch. Like, you should create content that are watchable, not just filming anything and uploading just because you have a YouTube channel. You should be intentional about your YouTube channel. That way you get to grow. Bonus tip which I'm going to share with you is try and make searchable content. If there's something you know how to make, don't look at the fact that 1,000,001 videos about it are on YouTube. Create your own version and upload. People are still going to watch it. So if there's something you know how to do, like how-to videos, searchable videos, make sure you create searchable content, like how-tos, videos about how to do this or how to do that. You can even create videos about, in fact, people even search for how to boil eggs. So whatever it is you know how to do, which you can teach on YouTube, try and create content relating to that. That way you get subscribers from people who watch those kind of videos. So the gist of the whole thing is that you should make searchable content, make content people want to watch, how-to videos as it relates to your niche, and there's no way you not get at least few subscribers from those videos. So guys, that'll be all for this video. I hope you learned one or two from it. Remember to like, subscribe, comment in the comment section, and share